here's you, with your smartphone, and all the apps that make your life better. Fitness tracker, apps for travel, shopping, banking. From your medical condition to your financials, apps hold lots of sensitive data about you. And all this data is passed to their servers over the internet. That's just how mobile apps work. But you never know if they do it in a secure way. If an app uses weak encryption, or even worse, no encryption at all, a malicious actor can get in the way and snatch your private data. The risk is even higher on unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Here's how VPN helps. When you connect to VPN, it secures your internet connection. The data that leaves your device is encrypted and sent through a VPN server. That means that no one can get their hands on your personal data. The best part? All it takes is just a click of a button in the NordVPN app.